Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. I'm out in the fuel shed getting ready to top the truck back off, and this will be tank 2 of 100% oil. Didn't have any gasoline I wanted to spare a few weeks back when I made this batch, and yeah, I decided why not. It's 100 degrees. It's not currently that anymore, but at the time it was. So decided to give it a shot, running straight oil in the flatbed. And yeah, no issues to speak of. Like I said, I do have 1/2-inch ID fuel supply from the rear tank all the way to the valves. And yeah, it didn't give me any issues at all. So we're gonna top it back up and see how it does. I've also got some other stuff to talk about. So let's get right into it. Yeah, sorry for the extra racket. The pump doesn't really care for the straight oil, but is what it is. It'll have to do. But while I'm filling the truck up, I want to talk about this guy right here. This is a pump I'm working on doing some testing on. It is a gear pump that we're going to try and use as a fuel pump. Now, it is a dedicated oil pump. It's built to transfer hot oil. So I don't think it's going to have any issues. What's nice also is it's got a nice regulator built right into the head. So shouldn't have to worry about adding in fuel pressure regulators, stuff like that. We're going to see how well that works because the IDI does not like high fuel pressure. So hopefully we can dial it back enough with that. That is an internal regulator built onto the head, kind of like how a oil pump on like a small block Chevy, something like that works. You got a bypass on it. Same setup here, except it's bypassing right back to the inlet, so you're not losing flow or anything like that. You don't have an extra return line to run or anything of that nature. So it should work pretty well. It's built really heavy. It comes with a screen for the inlet to protect the pump. It should work out really well, but I'm going to be doing some testing on that here in the very near future, so be on the lookout for those videos. But yeah, pretty well all I got to say about this for now. Anyone that's in the done any performance automotive stuff, you might recognize the pump and the manufacturer. They've been building these pumps for a long time. We're just going to put them to use in a different way, and I think it's going to work out really well. We'll see. But yeah, anyways, back to this 100% oil stuff. So far, I've not had any issues out of this. So I'm probably going to continue to run 100% oil as long as it is warm out. Now again, if you watch the build on this truck, the rear tank that I'm filling up right now is sumped. It's got 1/2-inch ID supply from the sump all the way up to the valves. So and I'm still running a factory lift pump, the mechanical lift pump. Oh, drum's empty. Shut that off. Guess I'm gonna have to get another batch going because it probably only gave me about a quarter tank or so, maybe a little more. But anyways, now it's a little quieter. So yeah, no issues running. I don't know that I would probably put a heavy trailer behind this thing and pull it, especially with I've got the R&D injection pump on it and bigger injectors in it. It would probably struggle as far as the fuel supply goes with the stock mechanical lift pump trying to keep up running 100% oil. But I don't know. I've not tried it. It just feels like it would, if that makes sense. normal driving, it doesn't have any issues, especially when it's hot out. I run 70, 75 mile an hour on my trip to work, so didn't miss a beat, hasn't missed a beat for the last couple weeks. So we'll see how this tank runs and go from there. But I had to get some of this oil moved around before too long. I still have not put my big transfer pump from WMO Designs into use, but I did go on and get one of the suction hose kits for it. So it should make transferring these totes around a little bit easier, a little bit faster. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling on and wrap this video up here. If you got any comments, questions, complaints, drop them in the comment section below. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. Helps out quite a bit and doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching. And stay tuned for updates on this guy right here, because hopefully we'll be able to put it to use real soon.